Hi kids, so we are back with video number 2 and we had to change outfits.
Yeah. Hello, and we are making delicious sprinkle bowls.
Yeah, so originally we labeled it as potatoes, but they said, Mommy, you already made potatoes, so let's do something more creative. However, so after yesterday, I put the dough for 24 hours in the refrigerator, and now we are going ahead and making little balls. So I'm gonna cut it for you.
Okay, this is...
Yeah, I know, it's a bit difficult, so...
It's a little big.
So James, everybody knows how to make a ball. Can we roll a ball?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, come, start making little balls, and easy too.
Okay, this knife doesn't look nice for me.
No, it's big, but actually it's still kid safe. It's not so sharp. Okay, so let's start making balls.
Oh yeah, I was gonna go and bite
Yeah,
it.
little balls.
I was gonna go and really bite it. You want what, balls of sprinkles or balls of nothing?
Okay, so then I prepared a little thingy here, a little tray. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them here so they don't roll off the table,
Mama,
okay?
is this good?
Yeah, sure.
Can I borrow this one?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay, leave it down. We don't want to pick that up, yeah?
And then bacteria come and then we get sick before Christmas.
No, we don't want to get sick before Christmas. That would be a nightmare before Christmas, wouldn't it?
It's just 4 more days to Christmas.
4 more days. Is it?
You better not.
Yes.
Yeah, we counted.
We counted, yeah? Okay. So, making balls looks so easy for Mommy, yeah? But it's not so easy, James. You have to make a little bit more round.
Sorry, but
What's this?
Sorry. If it's too big for you, just take some parts off.
So?
It's not too big for me. Right.
So before you ask, all the little ingredients that we are going to add, they're not vegan. I can't find in Japan yet. I know in for example, in the States, or even in Germany, they have already vegan accessories. In Japan, not just yet. It's gonna come.
But soon, not soon. Not super soon, like Olympics.
So, now I show you what I have here. So I have some
sprinkles.
And
some sprinkles.
Liebesperlen.
Oh yeah, those are Liebesperlen.
Liebesperlen, love balls, love pearls. Okay,
made by
and then we have blue and more chocolate sprinkle and silver.
This one's little, this one's big.
Okay, what we're going to do,
this is the last one.
we made icing sugar yesterday, so we put lots of sugar into
this
the
is like so
Vitamix
sweet.
Dash food processor, and we made icing sugar.
Excuse me, what does dash mean?
Dash?
Yeah.
Did I say dash? Oh, dash, yeah, because means just like my kitchen equipment is not really one or the other right now, but I did ask Santa even now for a new Vitamix.
I don't understand.
I asked Santa for lots of new kitchen
that's
equipment.
a good wish.
Other girls want rings and necklaces. I like to have a super expensive kitchen machine from Santa. Okay?
Yeah, but Mama likes pay it. Mama wants something what she can really use for her YouTube channels.
Yay! Okay. Now let's put all the balls into the snow.
Oh, I remember this. I used to do this in kindergarten.
Yeah, hop.
Used to shake it.
All the balls in the snow. Have a little.
All the snowmans in the snow to make it as sweet as a comb in snow.
Okay. Now let's move it.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course.
Ooh, okay, now snowballs.
Okay.
Snowballs don't taste as well as these stuff. Oh yes.
Okay, a little bit more and shake it, baby.
Okay, let's shake the balls. Okay, now I've got to.
Yeah, good. You see, you don't even that. Maybe we're like 2 tablespoons of the icing sugar, and they all nice rolled in.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's take them out and put them here. Or shall we go one after the other? We go one after the other. Okay. Now, which one we open first? Choc. Okay. Chip and Dale, of course, like choc. Okay.
No, they like nuts. Oh yeah.
Okay, let me get a tiny.
And this first when I saw this, I thought it was cattle food. White hand food looks
Potato food.
Potato food is not this like
Not
sweet and dark.
Yeah. Okay, let's use for each
Some potato food.
one.
It's not taco food.
It's not turtle food. Don't confuse the
Taco.
viewers. We are not eating turtle food.
This is chocolate sprinkles, okay, viewers? Chocolate sprinkles.
Okay.
Can I call you Mike?
Shall we start? Shall we start? What shall we do first?
Oh, you have
chocolate
chocolate
Yeah,
sprinkles.
then you do it in here. Can you do it? Shall we put some nice pink?
Excuse me.
Oh, yes, some nice-
My hands are kind of slimy.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll do this for Mama.
So why don't you start decorating, James?
I'll start decorating any I want.
Okay, you can also roll in them if you like. Yeah. You can just roll them and dip
Maybe
them.
I'll do some little love pattern. Oopsie, some fall
Yeah.
down.
Actually, the chocolate springs won't last so well.
Okay, some. I saw pictures
If
of
you want really, I should know it. This boy, he likes chocolate sprinkles, so let's just do it again. We have made some nice decoration. Hey, Finger aus dem Mund.
But this fall down on this.
Okay, then just dip it. Look, like this.
Like this,
Dip.
Mama?
Yeah,
Mama. Oh, yeah, this
yeah,
is
just
it.
dip it. Dip, up.
Okay, let's see.
They're still gonna taste
Oh,
like...
no.
Yeah, it's
fall
good.
Down. Oh,
Yeah, it's good.
they're still gonna taste like marzipan potatoes.
Yes, they're still gonna taste like marzipan potatoes. They just look a little bit more colorful.
And
Yeah?
just a little more sweeter they'll taste.
Yeah, it's just perfect for little boys like you.
Hey, James, could you put some chocolate on
Thank
this
God there's
too?
something like Christmas where you can get overboard with
There's
your
some chocolate?
sweet flavors. Okay.
No, I said some chocolate on. Oh, next one.
Just a bit.
So James, I'll put some on here.
Yeah.
Oh.
So maybe this is a nice thing the parents can do 2 days before Christmas. Well, so for me, Christmas is on the 24th, and for Papa,
Because she lives in Germany.
I used to live in Germany. I
Now
grew up
she-
in Germany. Yes.
And her mother and father live in Germany.
Yeah. You're...
No, in Hamburg now. Hamburg?
Yeah.
I thought they want to move in Hamburg.
So, aren't they so pretty? Look at this. I like blue.
And so
I do love
tasty
blue.
too.
And so tasty too. Just dip them, Ethan. It's easier. Just dip it.
I could eat the sprinkles all day. Oh,
Of
me
course.
too. I could just shake it in my mouth. I wouldn't waste them like that even. Oh my god, something.
I know. I remember when I was little, I used to love this. Actually, I loved chocolate all the time. So, you see? Almost done. My favorite is blue. Blue, 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 blue.
Your favorite color is blue.
Here, ball, here. More balls.
Maybe I'll try some
Okay, which one shall we do?
silver.
Okay. Anyway, so let's count days to Christmas. Have a beautiful weekend.
Yes.
And
Please enjoy your
don't
Christmas.
forget to put some sweets for Santa and his reindeers. Yeah?
Not sweets, but cookies and carrots.
Cookies and carrots. Thank you very much for watching.
And subscribe for our channel and bye.
Yes, thank you. And thumbs up. That's right. Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you and everyone in the whole wide world.
Bye.